Welcome to Ultima Dental Systems instructional video on repairing the pressure switch. Locate the screw to remove the pressure switch cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw. Take off the pressure switch cover. Next, you will need a 14mm wrench. Using the 14mm wrench, remove the holding tank air gauge from the pressure switch. Next, you will need a 15mm wrench. Using the 15mm wrench, remove the compressor safety valve from the pressure switch. Next, you will need a 6mm hex socket or wrench. Using the 6mm hex socket or wrench, remove the air cap or quick disconnect on dual compressors located on the top of the pressure switch. Next, we want to remove all the electrical wiring from the pressure switch. Unscrew all of the connections from the pressure switch and cut the zip ties that hold them in place for easy removal. Next, remove the black air line from the unloader valve by pushing the tab towards the pressure switch and pulling the black air line towards you. Place the air line to the side. Remove the blue air line from the unloader valve by pulling the tubing towards you. Using a 14mm wrench, remove the entire pressure switch assembly. Once you have removed the entire pressure switch assembly, using a 14mm wrench, remove the spacer on the back of the pressure switch. Place the spacer fitting onto the new pressure switch and tighten it securely. Use Teflon tape to prevent any air leaks. Reattach the pressure switch to the compressor. Use Teflon tape to prevent any air leaks. Use a 14mm wrench to tighten the pressure switch. Now slide the wires through the plastic wire grommets provided with the new pressure switch. Use the wire grommet nut to fasten the wire grommets to the pressure switch. Reconnect the electrical wires to the pressure switch using the wire diagram provided. Next, use the outer wire grommet nut to hold the electrical wires in place and prevent them from moving. Reattach the black air line to the new unloader valve by pushing it on. Reattach the tank pressure air gauge and use a 14mm wrench to tighten it securely. Use Teflon tape to prevent air leaks. Reattach the blue unloader valve air line by pushing it onto the tubing to the metal barb fitting. Reattach the safety valve to the pressure switch. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten it. Again, use Teflon tape to prevent air leaks. Reattach the air cap or quick disconnect on dual compressor units on top of the pressure switch, and again, use Teflon tape to prevent air leaks. Put on the pressure switch cover by lining up the slot on the cover to the notch on the pressure switch. Tighten the pressure switch cover screw to complete the job. Plug in the unit or compressor to test and check for air leaks.